wondered how their pet parrot is talking like you?
Parrots, singing birds and hummingbirds are vocal learners. That is, they can grasp and imitate sounds from their surroundings. You might wonder, why only parrots can talk? It is because of their brain. Scientists found that the brain of the parrots are little different from other songbirds. All vocal learners have inner core part in their brain. But parrots, in addition to the inner core part, have outer rings called shells, and that too, bigger in size. This is what makes them as exceptional speakers. Why do they have to talk like humans? Parrots are highly sociable and they crave for interaction. They want to become one of us. That's why they speak like us. Do they understand what they are talking? Mostly no. They are just mimicking us. But if trained properly, they can understand. How to train them to talk? You must start teaching them when they are still young. Number 2. Repetition. By repeatedly talking to them, you can make them speak like you. Number 3. Associate the words you teach with an action. For example, if you are teaching apple, give him an apple. Can all the parrots talk? Not all. Only a few can learn and make several voices while others can mimic only a few words. Parrots can talk in the same accent they are taught to, and they can dance too.